I am testing my resistance on my crankshaft positioning sensor. And so far it reads 2.20, 205.0. But if I take this little butter knife and just wave it in front of it, see the resistance change. But my question is, how would you know if it's bad or good? Do the resistance supposed to be high or low? It's puzzling the shit out of me. Anyway, for a 2005 Mercedes Benz, I'm trying to figure it out. I took the computer out with the crank sensor. So I got a real bad miss that I just ugly ain't gonna tell the resistance though. Ugly ain't gonna tell the resistance. I just waved a knife in front of it. That's just like the flywheel passing it, cause it's magnetic. And they're giving me a low resistance. It's getting a low reading on the resistance. It was supposed to be like low or high. It's jumping now. Like the faster I go, it get up higher. It's just like a flywheel passing it. So my question is, if anybody can help with this, I'll surely appreciate it.